Start in a plank position. Lift one leg up and out, keeping your hips steady. Thread your leg through, straightening your leg as you cross over. Try to keep your hips squared to the ground. Press that leg up as you come into a three-legged down dog. Rotate to open that hip into a scorpion variation. Extend the leg and return to a plank position. Flow into a bear hover, bending and straightening the knees with your knees about 2 inches above the ground. Press back into a down dog and pedal your feet to gain a nice stretch in your calf. Return to a plank position and repeat this same sequence on the other side. Clams Series. Start on your side with your feet together and your abdominal muscles active. Press those knees apart, feeling the back of your hip activate. Progress to a super clam in a side plank position. Press the ground away through your elbow and your bottom knee, lifting up through the side body, keeping your hips squared to the front. Progress by adding a resistance band. Start with a 10-second hold 3 times, gradually progressing to a 60-second hold. This isometric contraction is going to help enhance your strength. Bridge March Series, we start with a bridge march. Tuck your tailbone under and march one leg up, keeping your hips level, and then repeat with the other leg. Lower your hips back down with both legs in contact with the floor. The bridge march lowers, you're going to do the same thing, but this time when you lower, keep one leg elevated off the ground. Focus on keeping your hips level during the motion. Single leg bridge with a bent knee. Repeat the same sequence, tucking under and lifting up and lowering back down with one leg. You may extend your leg to add more of a challenge. Tuck the tailbone under, lift up, keeping your hips level as you move through the lift and the lower. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Kickstand Series, terminal knee extension. With a band around your thighs, start in a stride stance position and hip hinge. Bend and straighten that back leg. Progress to a kickstand back leg lift, keeping that front leg steady and that knee in alignment with your hip and foot. Progress to a side lift by lifting up, bringing the leg out and in and down. Again, focus on that front leg stability. You may choose to progress by adding a weight. This will enhance that front leg strength. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 12 repetitions. You may choose to progress each set, or you can perform the same exercise for each set and progress the next time. Dynamic Stork. Start on one leg with your other leg pressing into a ball balanced against a wall. Press your knees apart as you hinge at the waist, sticking your hips back and rising up, alternating your arms as if you're running in place. You may add a weight to the arm closer to the wall to enhance that planted leg strength. Perform 2 sets of 12 repetitions. Runner's squat. Start about 4 to 5 feet away from the wall, depending upon how long your legs are. In a single leg squat position, press that back foot into the wall. Drive up and back down, alternating your arms as if you're running in place. Ground your front foot by pressing that knee outward and press up through your heel to feel the back of that leg working. You may choose to get more ballistic by increasing the speed of this drill. Now, to challenge your balance, you can cross over, reaching in opposite directions. So you're going to reach that front hand beyond your toes and rotate. Perform 2 sets of 12 repetitions. Single leg assisted deadlift. Start on one foot and a foam roller between your other hand and foot. Hinge your body forward, lengthening your leg back, keeping your hips down towards the ground and reaching your other arm forward. Assisted airplane wall press. With a stick or a broom behind your back, balanced between your arms. Start in a hinged position with one foot on the ground and the other foot on the wall. Rotate your body one way and then, maintaining your balance, rotate the other way. Single leg deadlift to airplane. Start on one leg, lengthen one leg back and hinge your trunk forward. Bring your arms to your side, rotate one way and then twist the other way, keeping good balance on your standing leg. Perform 2 sets of 10. Sliders Series. One foot on the ground, pushing that standing knee out and your foot active. Your other foot on the slider or furniture mover, pushing diagonally across towards 8 o'clock and diagonally back towards 4 o'clock. You can progress by performing this slider on a step to increase your depth and range of motion. Continue to bend through the front leg, keeping your knee behind your toes as you slide your foot back diagonally towards 8 o'clock and diagonally towards 4 o'clock. You can further progress by adding a weight in the opposite hand of your standing leg to further enhance the activation of the front leg. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Here's a recap of all of the exercises we reviewed in this phase 2 for IT band syndrome. Stay tuned for phase 3, strengthen, and phase 4, load. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, feel free to share with your friends and subscribe to my channel to stay connected.